Engineering's just a good way to get out my imagination. I always had some type of problem-solving skills growing up, but coming to speed school just kind of heightened my skills and refined them. So it definitely has helped me grow by being able to focus on the skills that I'm naturally drawn to. My first co-op, I was kind of pushed off to the deep end of learning the overall aspects of every single technology in additive manufacturing. I think I was attracted to additive because it is so new. It's something that has a lot of growth. I don't feel like I'm being constricted in my imagination where my future can take me. I am now a graduate research assistant. I conduct research in the metals machines, but I also help train industry professionals on how to use our metal additive equipment. Because of that, I've been able to gauge my skills to align with different industries. I'm now looking at positions for full-time jobs that I only have opportunities for because of what I've been able to do here at Speed School. Don't be afraid to build your own path. I changed my major 3 times before I settled on mechanical engineering. I went through 2 different universities. The end goal is totally worth it.